America and station. XY, I think. Go ahead.
Yeah, Khalid, good afternoon. W9, Echo X-Ray Yankee, W9EXY. You're strong in Illinois. Go ahead.
Roger, thank you. November 9, Echo X-Ray Yankee. Also 5 and 9 plus 10. 5 and 9 plus 10, your report. I record this video now, this course, so you see your signal on YouTube maybe tomorrow. November 9, Echo X-Ray Yankee. Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo. Roger.
Yeah, okay, Khalid. Yeah, let's call us W9. W9, Echo X-Ray Yankee. We've worked you on 20 meters, so yeah, 5-9 plus 10 here. Beautiful signal, and I'm only running barefoot. So it's good to hear the band open. It's just amazing. The propagation is very, very strong here today, Khalid. And again, the name is Don D.O.N. near Chicago. We'll catch you later. W9EXY. Bye-bye.
Roger, Daniel. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, I caused before and 20 meter, maybe 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Whiskey 9, Echo X-Ray Yankee, 100 watt. You come in beautiful signal here on my city, Dubai. Yeah, very nice today. Very nice propagation today. Whiskey 9, Echo X-Ray Yankee, Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo 73. Thank you.
Okay.